The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 25, The Gateway to Every Direction, manifested by Bodhisattva Avalokiteshvara. If any evil one chases you and pushes you from Mount Diamond, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, not even a single hair will be hurt. If evil robbers surround you, each with a sword and the intent to harm, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, the thought of mercy will awaken in them. If you suffer under the punishment of a king, and your life is to be ended by execution, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, the sword will be immediately broken into pieces. Namo Avalokiteshvara. If you are imprisoned with a neck chain, your hands and feet fettered, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, they will disappear and you will be released. If anyone wants to hurt your body with a curse or poison, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, these ills will return and afflict their authors. Namo Avalokiteshvara. If you meet evil rakshasas, poisonous dragons or demons, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, they will not dare to hurt you. If you are surrounded by evil animals whose teeth and claws are fearfully sharp, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, they will run away swiftly and to an immeasurable distance. If there are lizards, snakes, vipers, or scorpions whose breath is poisonous like a flaming smoke, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, they will turn away swiftly at the sound of your voice. If thunder resounds, lightning flashes, hail falls, and a great rain pours out of the clouds, if you contemplate the power of Avalokiteshvara, they will disappear immediately. Namo Avalokiteshvara. If sentient beings are in great adversity and immeasurable pain afflicts them, the wonderful power of the wisdom of Avalokiteshvara can relieve the suffering of the world. Endowed with transcendent powers and having fully mastered wisdom and skillful means, in all the worlds of the 10 directions, there is no place where he will not manifest himself. Namo Avalokiteshvara. The suffering of those in the troubled states of being, hell-dwellers, hungry ghosts and animals, and the suffering of birth, old age, illness and death will gradually be extinguished.